Hi guys, Miss Golson here. Today we're going to be talking about goods and services. So I want you to be brainstorming. What is a good and what is a service? And how does that affect our economy? Today you're going to be going to BrainPop Junior and you're going to type in goods and services. You're going to click on that video and go ahead and watch that. You feel free to take the quiz after. I know my students love to take those quizzes. If you would now, let's go ahead and click pause on this video. You can come back to it when you finish your BrainPop video. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, welcome back. So we're going to do just some review of goods and services. People trade money for different goods and services, and we know that our economy is about trading money and how the money works in our country or outside of our country. Well, what is a good? A good is something people want or need, which is something that we learned previously. A want is something that you would like to have, and a need is something that you need to survive. A good is tangible, which means it can be held or it can be touched. For example, a soccer ball, a lamp, overalls, books, a cup, all of those are examples of goods. Here are some more examples of goods. So I see a video game controller. Maybe some of you guys have seen a video game controller before. A really nice car that I would love to have. A flashlight, a Chromebook, donuts, a vacuum cleaner, sunglasses. All of those are examples of goods. Can you guys brainstorm right now? What are some more examples of goods? Write those on your paper if you'd like to. Well, what is a service? A service is an action that a person provides for someone else. So, for example, we have a nurse who's helping someone who is sick. Some more examples of services are a teacher, a hairdresser, a chef, construction worker, a taxi driver. Those are all services. Can you guys think of another service? Go ahead and write that on your paper if you can. So now what I would like you guys to do is on your paper, write down 3 examples of a good. It could be a Ferrari, a phone, and pizza. Okay, it could be any 3 examples of a good. Then what I want you to do is I want you to circle the good that you want the most. For example, I want a Ferrari, so I would circle that. Then what I want you to do is write a sentence to support why you chose that good. So I would say, I chose a Ferrari because that is my favorite car. All right, friends, thank you for joining me today. If you want to learn more about goods and services, there is a book on Pebble Go that talks a little bit more in detail about goods and services. To get there, you'll go to Pebble Go, you'll click on Social Studies, you'll click on All About Money, and then you'll find goods and services. Have a great rest of your afternoon.